Obviously, Kim Kardashian made one of the biggest splashes at the Met Gala wearing the Balenciaga Fall 2021 couture situation. To be honest, all of the pictures after the Met Gala since have been fabulous. All the pictures that Kim posted on her Instagram. I was even here for like the Bruce Wayne mask situation that was going on when she was leaving her hotel for the after parties. Obviously, the highlight of this look has been the memes. Let's just say that. My personal favorite meme, obviously as a Harry Potter stan, was the Dementors because it was definitely giving me Prisoner of Azkaban. I just really wanted to see something a lot more shocking and a lot more original. I think that it would be a constructive conversation to actually talk about what she should have worn to the Met Gala. I was actually taking a peek at the couture collection, which was absolutely fabulous by Balenciaga. One of the highlights were those oversized cloaks with kind of like the faux hoodie situation. There was a red situation on the runway. I thought that was fabulous. There was a pink one. I thought that was everything as well. I thought from the couture collection, Kim could have pulled inspiration from a completely different look. Look 29 was this fabulous polka dot ensemble. So first of all, polka dots to me would have gone with the theme a lot better, I think. Polka, as I've learned in itself, is more of like a European inspiration, like the dances, there's a whole cultural European background to polka, but polka dots are definitely an American fashion staple. This is a trend that has gone back to literally like the 1940s, the 1960s. This specific look, I feel like could have been customized because we don't really see her in a pantsuit unless she's going to the White House. But like the off-the-shoulder silhouette is very Kim. The polka dots are definitely giving just like vintage American fashionista.
Sports.
We all know what the Kardashian silhouette is. It needs to be skin tight. It can flare at the bottom maybe, but you gotta give body yaddy yaddy. Body yaddy yaddy. So maybe this could have been customized into just like an off-the-shoulder polka dot catsuit. Or, you know, maybe the bow could have been translated to another part of the look. But I feel like this polka dot moment would have been really cool for her. It's almost like a Carolina Herrera, real American fashion moment. Was it really a missed opportunity what Kim actually wore? Because everybody has been talking about it ever since the Met Gala. So obviously she still knows what she's doing marketing and branding and promotion-wise. I'm just here for the fashions and giving my, you know, take on clothes. So I think the polka dots really would have been everything, but that's just my opinion.